A-body guys, here you go. 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Convertible. She got a set of 22-inch artist wheels. She got the stock 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Interior's in good condition. Gotta love an Oldsmobile. Out of Buick, Oldsmobile, Pontiac, Chevy, Cadillac, I say the Olds comes top of my list. The paint has 2 or 3 spots, but in my opinion, she's a solid 8. And she can be purchased with or without the wheels. You can throw on a set of stock rallies and she'll still be a beautiful ride, guys. Passenger side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. The passenger side is missing a vent. If she was mine, I'd order up me a set of the custom billet ones. I have a set on my Buick Regal, and they nice. Deck lid, and she is wired for sound. As y'all can see, she's nice and solid. Interior's in good shape. She has aftermarket digital gauges, bucket seats, console with floor mounted T-shifter. Back seat. Convertible top functions as it should. Check out that dash. We'll see the gauges on startup. Upper dash. Lower. She does have aftermarket speakers in the kick panels. Engine bay nice and clean. She got the 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC. Let's start her up. Y'all make sure y'all go over and visit rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Do not miss out on her. She's running nice and strong. Gotta love the sound of Oldsmobile. Thank y'all guys for watching, and y'all have a good one.